Okay? Alright, so Dory is working our surface area problem on the board. This is, what kind of object is this? Do y'all remember?
Cubic.
Well, it's not
Prism.
a cube because what do we know about cubes?
Prism.
Well, yeah, I guess it kind of is a cube, isn't it? It is. Okay, it is a cube. So what are we gonna, how do we find the surface area?
Multiplying.
Tommy?
Wouldn't a cube
Oh, no, it's not a cube.
same size?
Yeah.
It would be a rectangular
That,
prism.
that's right. It's a rectangular prism because all the sides are not the same.
It's
How
not-
wide is it?
It's not 5 inches.
It's 1 inch wide. Okay. So,
Oh, wowza.
Are you gonna give us a paper of these things to do?
what?
And I still don't understand how you do the ones that are like 6. They're all like spread out.
This one. That's this one.
That one, but okay, so it's like this. Say you have a cube.
Uh-huh. You want me to draw for you?
I know how to draw a cube. You're not good at it.
What?
Hold
What?
You say you always get people to draw your cubes. You know how you have this?
Yes.
And you like lay it out.
Yes. And it looks like our Kleenex box, which I threw away finally. But what did it come out looking like?
Oh, we did it.
A cross, right? Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
but I don't know how to. Can you show me how to solve again?
Okay.
I don't really
All right.
remember.
This is actually what we're working on right now, and Dory solved it for us. All right. So Dory, tell me what you did up there. Can you tell Hannah?
You just start off by like this, and you use the measurements that you already have. So whatever's on the front is going to be the same on the back. So if you get 5 times 5
Pay
on the
attention,
front,
Renee.
you get the same on the back. So then you multiply those two, 25, right? Both of them 25, 50. The top, 1 inch wide
By how many across?
by 5.
Yep.
And that's the same for the bottom.
Okay.
The side is 5 up and 1 wide.
Right.
So then that would be 5. What I do is I just combine all these together by like the sides together, top, bottom together, and then those together. And then I just do it like that. It's easier than just doing all of them.
Okay. I'm gonna talk a little bit about it too for Hannah too, and show you what she did.
I'm good with that.
Okay.
I just the ones where you spread it out.
That is that.
It is.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes. But hold on, Tommy.
Why is there like a 3 floating above the inches? You multiply it by
That's-
itself 3 times.
That's cubed.
I know. I know the expression name.
That's why it's there. That's the correct way to put it there.
But wouldn't that mean multiplying it by itself 3 times?
No. Well, yes. But actually in this one it is a cube, but we're not finding volume, we're finding surface area. So it's really going to be inches squared. If we were finding volume, it would be cube because it's length times width times height. Okay? But Hannah, okay, I want to show you, this book is a rectangular prism because it has a length. Okay, I need you to like, okay? Has a length, it has a width, and it has a height, right? So it really is a rectangular prism. So when you find the surface area of a rectangular prism, we multiply length times the width of the front, okay? And that's going to give you front and back, right? So there's 2 measurements. Then you're going to multiply the height times the width, okay? That's going to give you the sides. And then you're going to have 2 measurements. And then you're going to multiply the bottom, which is the length, okay? And the width. And that's going to give you the bottom and the top. And that would be 2 measurements. If I unfolded all of this, which I can't unfold the book, really, but it would look just like my Kleenex box did. Remember when we looked at it and we unfolded that box and looked at all the different pieces? Okay. This is not a cube because in order to be a cube, this would also have to be 5, right?
No, the bottom one. How hard it is.
The what now?
The bottom one that looks like an alligator.
No, that's an angle.
I know, but
That's-
wouldn't it be a cube?
Oh,
No.
a cute.
Yeah.
I thought you said a cube, and
That's
yes,
what I thought.
you are correct.
Oh,
It would
is
be
that
an
what that-
acute angle because
Yes,
it's
I
less
love
than
angles.
90 degrees.
Can we do
Yes.
angles? I love angles.
Yes.
Those are so much fun.
Okay, Tommy, did you have a question?
Yeah. Is it like does the like 2 mean the number of things that are being multiplied to find the area kind of? Like on each side?
Yeah. Since you're dealing with length times width times height, you know, that's cubed in a cube.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so guys, we need to move on. So what I need everybody to do now is put your pencils down and look at Miss Bergum. Okay? Put your pencils down and look at Miss Bergum. All right, now, you guys you can take notes about this, or you don't have to take notes about this, but I definitely want you to turn in your book to page 276. 276. We have got something new that we're going to cover today. And it's part of statistics. And I can almost guarantee you, okay, if I were a betting woman, I would bet you're going to see what I'm fixing to show you today on your GMAS.
We already saw it on the pre-test.
Okay?
Oh.
So,
When class is over, can I ask you about this?
yes.
You gave us this and I don't know anything.
So these are 3 things that we're going to talk about today in class. We're going to talk about the mean. We're going to talk about the median. And we're going to talk about the mode.
Oh, is that what was on like the
pre-test?
Yes. Look up here. These are your definitions. Miss Bergum wrote them on the board for you. If I were you, I would write them down in my notebook, or I would highlight them in my math book. I don't know, actually, the mean may not be in your math book, the definition, so you might want to write it down, okay? But we're going to look at a few numbers up here, and Miss Bergum is going to show you guys how to find the mean and the median and the mode. Okay.
The mode is.
You do?
Do we write this? Oh.
Nate is on it.
Miss Bergum, didn't they give
The
us something
median's
like this when
20.
we practice? And
Yeah.
we were all like,
Yeah. Okay. All right, are y'all ready?
No, I'm
Say,
so
I am ready, Miss Bergum.
Excuse me, Miss Bergum.
she can't see.
Anna Kate's ready. Okay, Caitlin. Okay. All right, so guys, you might also want to write this down, okay? These 2 rules up here kind of apply to what you have to do, okay?
Wait, what's the last bracket?
The
No, the most common number.
Okay. All right.
Wait, what?
These 2 rules right here. Number 1, put them in order. Number 2, count them.
Most
Okay.
common.
All right. So the first one that we're going to do is we're going to find the mean. What is the mean?
The average number.
The average number. Okay.
He needs a
Now you
pencil.
can-
He needs a pencil.
You need a pencil.
That just has pink lead in it, and it's aggravating.
Okay. I have one. It doesn't have an eraser, but you're welcome to use it.
Pink lead.
Okay. All right.
I'll give him. I'll
So
let him-
right now,
I'll
I
trade
need
you
the
this one.
focus. You got it? Can you use that one I gave you?
Yeah.
Okay. I need my focus to be right up here. This is new material, guys, and you guys need to know how to do it. Okay? So the first thing we're going to look at is the mean. All right, what do we do first? Very first thing we do.
Put it in order.
Put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay? So, yeah. So what's going to be my first number?
10.
10. How many do I have? Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6. Okay. Then what would come next? 20. Okay. 2 20s.
And then 30.
And then 30.
And then 40.
And then 40. Okay. Now, what does step 2 say?
Count.
All right. There is a reason why I made that a rule. Y'all want to know what it is?
What?
Because a lot of times after we put our numbers in order, maybe sometimes we might leave one out. So we want to make sure that we count our original set of numbers and count our new set. Okay? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 numbers, right?
I thought you meant to add them.
Well, that step comes next.
Oh,
All right?
I know it.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What does that mean? That means we covered it. We wrote them all down, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So to find the mean, what did I say the definition of that was?
The average of numbers.
The average. Do you guys know how to average?
No. I don't know what average
Okay.
is.
When you divide it,
Okay. So what you do is you add up all your numbers and then divide it by how many numbers you have here.
By 10 in this case.
Okay? We would divide by 10. That's right, Dee Dee. We would divide by 10 in this case because we have 10 numbers. So let's add them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 100, 130, 170. Okay? If we divide that by 10, how many would we have?
Wait, don't tell me it would solve it.
170 divided by 10.
17.
Yeah.
Yes, and then you would just
17.
take away the 0, just like when multiplying it, like 100 by 100.
Right. Okay, because we're dividing by 10, that would be 10.
You multiply 100 by 100 would be 1,000.
Okay? Alright, so my mean would be 17. That's pretty easy, right, Tyler?
Oh,
Pretty easy peasy. Okay? So basically, we are adding all of my numbers and then counting however many we have and
So add all of them up and then dividing them by
that's right. Okay, so let's take a minute and practice real quick. Let's take a minute and practice.
This is easy.
Yes.
Are the numbers always going to be like even?
No.
What do you do if they're not even?
Okay.
How do you do
Matter of
that?
fact, I'm gonna give you 5 numbers. I want you to write them down.
Where?
I want you to find the mean.
Mean and the mean.
Find the mean. Go ahead. There's your 5 numbers. Find the mean. Yes. Okay, now what do you have to do, Jay? How many are you going to divide this by what? Okay? And Kate? Got it? Yes. Got it, Addie? Working on it? Yes. Jay, give me 5. All right.
10, 15.
The mean.
25,
Oh, how many numbers do you have?
60,
So divide by 5. Divide by 5. What did she say?
This bar's in my gallery.
It's okay. Yes.
Easy.
Easy peasy. Put it in pie. How we doing
Oh,
there?
dang, I wrote it backwards. Oh.
All right. Did you get them all 5 added?
Oh, sure, I can do it. You could add them all, and then you divide them. Where's 30? There. And burn them.
Good job.
I just
Got it, baby?
Oh, I know what it is.
You don't need this. That's zero.
I couldn't get it to where 50 had a 5 right there.
Well, okay, once you get this, you said it'll go. Okay, wait.
Because I was going to try to do like, it, so all I had to do is like 50 divided by.
Right, one, bring
Oh,
down your zero. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Then it's that. Okay? Okay.
Sweet!
Let me see. Yes. Alright, guys.
Woohoo! I
Let's,
got it right.
what'd you get? Yes, everybody got 12, right? Okay, when we add up all of, first of all, what's my first step? What do I do?
put them
Put them in order. I've got a 5 here, a 5 here.
2 15s and 1 20.
I got a 15.
I got 15.
Oh, I got another
And
15.
you got 1 20.
And I got a 20.
I
Now you
accidentally
gotta add them all.
first time I accidentally put 120. I'm just like,
Uh-oh.
add them all
Okay. When I add all these together, guys, I immediately just go to the middle and say 15 and 15 is 30. Let's see. 50 plus 10 is 60,
That's
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this adds up to be 60. And then what do I divide it by? 5. Why 5?
There are 5 numbers.
Because there's 5 numbers. And what is 60 divided by 5? 12. Okay, so guess what, guys?
Miss Bergum, this is actually easy.
I know it is, and it's fun.
I'm not so sure about fun.
You wouldn't go that far?
It's
Okay.
fun. It's not fun, but it's easy.
Okay,
ears
it
are
is
full
easy.
that I gotta go
Okay, so you got it, Ava? Awesome. Okay, so I think that we have gotten the mean down. So let's look at the median.
I want to
All right, here is the way I remember what the median is. Do you guys know what a median is?
In like
Like,
the road.
The middle.
in the road.
Yeah, and on the highways.
Yes,
The thing in
it's
the
like
front.
a big thing of concrete. It's about this tall. It keeps you from going in the middle of the road. You know, a lot of times
Oh.
it's like a big thing of concrete.
They're in cities as well.
And-
Doesn't it prevent like from?
If you ever go to Florida or Atlanta, they have
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. Yeah, okay. Well, that's what helps me remember what median is, because a lot of times they all start with M. Which one is which, you know? Like if they ask you, oh, find the median of this set of numbers, okay? Which is what we're getting ready to do.
Don't you add all of them together and then split it in half?
The median is the middle number. Simple as that. The middle number. Okay? Now, here's the thing, okay? If I have an even number of numbers, like I've got 10 right here, okay? There's 10 numbers right here, right? So I'm not going to have a middle number. I'm going to have 2 middle numbers.
You're gonna have 5 and 6.
I'm going to have one right here and one right here. I still have 4 on this side and 4 on this
You're
side.
gonna have number
Okay.
5 and number 6.
Now, they're both the same number, so I don't really have to do anything, because if I circle both of them, what is the median of this group of numbers? 10. Okay.
Now what happens if
But-
you say 10 and like a 20?
Okay. What happens if this was a 12? I would still have to circle both of these numbers, right?
Same way.
But if I have 2 different numbers, are y'all listening? Okay. If I have 2 different numbers, I have to add them together and find the average of the 2. So what is 10 plus 12?
22.
22. And then I would divide that by what? 2.
11.
And so my median then would be 11. Okay? But this was a 10. I'm going to leave it as a 10. So my median is 10. Let's look at my other group of numbers. Where is my middle number over here?
15.
15. So guess what my median is? 15.
Yes, that.
That's the easy one.
It's easy when you have an uneven set of numbers.
Because there will always be a center number. 'Cause
That's
it's not
right.
even.
There'll always be a middle number. Anna Kate?
Do you have to put them in least to greatest order for?
Yes. That is a great question, Anna Kate.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's the
see my
oldest.
rules up here? If you don't put them in least to greatest order first, you're going to get the wrong number, right? This is also on page 278. Okay? Alright, so you always want to put them in order first. Yes, Kate?
What happens if you put them in order from oldest to youngest?
You put them in order from least to greatest. Now, if it asks you to put them in order from greatest to least, then that's what you do. But if it doesn't, then you put them from least to greatest. Okay?
Always assume it's least to greatest.
All right. So does everybody? Because I'm getting ready to give y'all a little exercise on math games to work on.
No, can I-
Finding the median, finding the mode, and okay, not right now, honey. Okay, we're still doing that. All right. So I've got the mean, I've got the median, and our last thing, Kaylin, I need you to turn around, honey. I need all pencils down unless you're writing down math. Okay? This is new stuff. I'm not concerned about any other subjects right now. I'm concerned about this. This is new, and this is what you're going to have to do. Okay? All right, mode. Mode is the most common number. Okay? So for this one right here, it's easy peasy.
10.
My most common number is 10. Because I have 6 of them.
But what about ones that have even amounts?
Okay?
Like 15?
But I have 2 5s here and 2 15s here.
What do we do?
So my mode would be what?
15 and
5.
5 and 15.
Easy.
I can have more than one mode. Or guess what? What would my mode be here?
It's the number line.
Oh, there would be.
Wait, there
None of them.
Because it's not the most common.
I would not have a mode.
So you just put
If
0?
you don't have a number that occurs more than once, you would not have a mode.
If
Would
they
you
asked
put
you
no
what the
mode
mode was
or
and it was
zero?
one like that,
Would you
You
put
would not put 0.
you would put no mode.
No mode.
no mode?
No
Okay.
motor. No more.
There is not a mode. If they ask you, if they ask you on a test, what is the mode, and they said explain, then you would say there is no mode in this set of numbers.
Because there's
the number is not repeated
Right.
twice.
That's right. Okay.
Or at all.
All right.
Right off.
Okay. So, do you guys think y'all could handle a little bit of practice on this?
Yeah.
All right. So close your workbooks.
Miss Bergum, over
Yeah.
the
They're not
break,
like
well, over our little weekend, I did a little piece in my hair blonde and a piece back here with some gray. It's like lighter. I bleached my hair last night.
Okay. Right now, we're not talking about hair, although it looks beautiless.
This is for Mr. Blanco.
I want you guys
And I
to
do
go.
Mr. Blanco.
So I'm only gonna say this once, okay? Go to Google Classroom, and you should see an assignment.
Well, it's a
Okay,
segregated
1, 2, 3
classroom.
more. Okay, here we go. All right, guys. So here is our project. Are y'all excited?
Yes.
It involves Skittles. Okay. All right, everybody should be excited about that. So
No.
what have we been talking about?
Median mode. Sorry.
Go ahead, Tommy.
Median mode and range.
Median, mode, mean, and range, right? Okay. So we have a Skittles project that we are going to do that involves the 3 M's and R. Okay? The 3 M's, median, mode, mean, and then R is your range. Okay?
Bergum, don't be mean.
Let me give everyone, I thought I'd already done this, a copy of your project, okay? go.
I can't use that for some.
What's the median again?
The median is the middle.
Get your
Remember the
notebook.
median in the road that we talked about yesterday? Okay, think about the median in the road. That thing that's in the middle of the road that keeps you from
Crashing.
Yes. Okay.
It keeps you from dying.
All right, so here we go. I'm going to go over the instructions with you guys so that you guys will know what to do. And then I'm going to partner you up because you're going to need a partner. Then you're also going to be in a group. Okay, so it is an involved project, but we can get it done, I think, at the end of the period. Yes.
So we're supposed to have a bag of Skittles.
Yes, I know. I couldn't find
You just
bags.
passed out an entire bag.
Yes, I went to Walmart to get y'all Skittles, and y'all,
No, you
they don't
could've-
have the single bag.
You should have
so.
went to Sam's Club.
Okay. All right, so here we go. Today, we will be testing your 3M plus R skills using Skittles. We are collecting data about the number of Skittles you have in each color. So if you look at round 1, this is your first round, and it's done by yourself, okay? You don't have a partner. You're going to separate your Skittles by color, count them, okay? Put them in here on your table it has for you, okay? And then you're going to total them up. Once you finish doing that, then you're going to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range, okay? Then the second round, when you get to the second round, that's going to require a partner. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to partner you up with the people that you're sitting by, okay? So I'm going to have Dari and Phoebe be partners, Tyler and Belle, okay? I'm going to have you two guys are partners, Tommy and Anna Kay, Ava and Hannah, and Nate and Kaylin, okay? We're going to partner up like that. Okay, guys, listen up. Okay, that's how we're going to do it. All right, so, all right, I'm waiting. Are y'all ready?
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right, so round 3 is going to involve you. Then you're going to have to find 2 other people, okay, to go and partner with, and you're going to count their data. So you're going to combine all of your data, okay, for 4 people. And then by the end of class, there's 12 of us in here. There's going to be 6 in one group and 6 in the other for round 4. So there's 4 rounds to the Skittle game, okay? But the good news is that after you count them and you put them in your chart, you get to eat them.
Ooh.
Okay? That's the good news. Okay, Addie. Thank you for raising your hands.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm sorry, hold on 1 second. Okay, go ahead.
Is this combined your group before with another group before? So wouldn't there end up with 8 people?
Well, we don't have but 12 of us in here, so we're just going to split it and do 6 and 6. Yeah. Okay.
My
With the
eraser
partner one,
died.
you're gonna like each of the red ones and put together like that.
You will take your partner's data. So you're going to do your data up here, and then Tommy, are you guys partners? Okay, then Tommy will do his data up here at the top, and then y'all will switch. You'll take his data and put it in here. Yeah. Okay?
How do you use?
This one, the mean. Okay, guys, let me review with y'all real quick. Yesterday, okay, mean is the what?
It says it on